Welcome back to the channel, guys. Hoagie1685 here. Today it's Easter weekend. It's a beautiful day. We are going to do a install of the Bully side steps. I got the front ones on here already. I've had them on there for probably a year, and I'm really happy with them. So I bought another set for the back, and we are gonna do a little video of installing those today. Here's the box here, guys. Like I said, the brand name is Bully, and these are cast aluminum side steps, and they're good for 350 pounds. I'm about 100 short of that, so we should be good there. The model number is BBS-1103. Okay, guys, we got it all out of the box here. For this particular truck, I have an 07 Dodge Ram. So we will be using what is Group B. Okay, that's what the Dodge Ram is. So, you know, you may have one of these other types of groups for your type of truck, Ford, Chevy, whatever. So for this particular instance, these are all different ones for all the different makes vehicles, but for the Dodge we just need this style here. So that's all we need. So the rest, I don't know. If you want to keep it or you want to throw it out, it's garbage to you. You don't need it. But if, hey, you could turn that into something cool. So if you want, keep it. Forgot to mention, you got a nice bag of hardware. So you know, you're gonna have some leftover bits and bytes and nuts and bolts and screws. So hold on to that, because you never know in the future you might use it. Okay, guys, so I'm locating where I'm gonna mount the step underneath the truck, and what you're gonna do is the center of the edge of the seat, where the seat starts. Yeah. I'm actually gonna use this split in the weather stripping, and that is gonna be the center of that mark. There is going to be the center of the side step, the center. So now I'm going to measure out 4 1/8 over this way and 4 1/8 over that way. Yep. I'm going to mark it, and then I'm going to drill my holes for the step. What you're going to need are 1/8 for your pilot and 3/8 drill bit. Okay, now we got our holes drilled. We're gonna hold this up, the step now, and we're gonna mark our other holes, and then we're gonna drill the step. I'll show you that. Okay, so we've got our brackets, our bolts, washers, nuts, screws. Here we go. Okay, now that we got her mounted, there's I don't know if you can see, there's a hole here we're gonna drill, 1/8 drill bit. See them over here, and we'll put the sheet metal screws in, or the metal screws, and tighten up these the hardware here, and then we're done. Okay, guys, we got her all installed. I'll give you a couple little tips and tricks here. Just give these a slight bend in. When you tighten them, they like to come out, so just give them a slight bend in when you tighten them up, and you should be good. So that's pretty much it, guys. There they are installed. That concludes our video, guys. I hope you liked it. Make sure you comment, like, and subscribe. Many more videos coming. And yeah, have a nice day.